Today I'll be going over some SFM sessions that I did, some animations that I've been working on for a while. One's Rainbow Dash and Lightning Dust, and Lightning is giving Rainbow Dash some plot shaking and some bedroom eyes. Another is some work with Lyra. Another with a couple little shots with a rainbow, like flapping her wings. And the last part's going to be Twilight, and kind of some eye movements I've been working on, like neck rigging, making them look kind of sideways, up and down, looking everywhere and stuff like that. Total time is like 28 minutes. I was working with the Lightning Dust and Rainbow Dash models in the beginning, just kind of jiggling the hips, the neck, spine and rigging and stuff. I like how it came out. Kind of makes it look like Lightning Dust is ready to forgive Rainbow Dash, and in a very seductive way, and Rainbow Dash is looking at her all bug-eyed, like, what the fuck? Like she's like shocked and surprised to see Lightning Dust like standing there, like shaking her plot and kind of coyly smiling at her. I did it because I was reading like a part of a fanfic or something, and like someone else had like mentioned it in a review, like they want to see Lightning Dust come back and see her reaction with Rainbow Dash. I wouldn't mind that. I kind of found Lightning Dust to be kind of an okay character, like Trixie. And I was happy to see Trixie back in season 6 and making friends with Starlight Glimmer. And just to annoy the hell out of Twilight, like bending all of her silverware into a little statue of herself. That made me laugh my ass off so much. I was like, and I noticed it did with some of the reactors too. They're like, oh god, there's that ego. The great and powerful Trixie. Okay, that's about it. Next video will be probably another reaction or something to my main channel. Until then, see y'all later. The last part of this video is just me playing around with the Pony IK rig, working out joints, neck movements, eyes, that kind of thing. And Twilight is my test subject. I had fun. Part of her left side is a little her over on her, I think right or left. You can tell like what part of it is sticking out. That was from previously working with the model, and I forgot to like disable the rig, so now it's just kind of like that. So I gotta find a way to work the kinks out later. Overall, I had fun with like trying to make it look like kind of paranoid, like she's looking up, down, around. She's a bug. Previously she was bug-eyed. Now she's like, I got another one I'm working on that's kind of like that. But she's a unicorn. It's like Twilight's out kind of like, confused and stuff. It's gonna be funny. I also gotta remember to work on my Octavia model later. I want to make it look like her in vinyl or like doing Mortal Kombat or something. It's gonna be fun. Yeah. Gives my brain rest from trying to draw and stuff. Just got done with a Star Destroyer, and it's on big paper, so it's like, what's the size? 19 by 24 Bristol paper. It's gonna be a fair entry. Something I do out where I live, out in like last week of June, July. There's a local fair I enter my artwork into. I've gotten like, last time I got like, for prize money I got like $47. Anyway, back to work. I'll see you all next time.